WAGO's 221 Series Compact Splicing Connector for all conductor types saves 40% more space than its predecessor, thanks to a significant reduction in size. This makes connections possible, even in the smallest, most difficult-to-access installations. With this new family of compact splicing connectors, WAGO is providing electricians with a faster, easier, and safer way to terminate solid, stranded, and fine-stranded conductors without tools. The 221 series portfolio includes 2, 3, and 5 conductor splicing connectors. Wiring is very easy. Strip conductor to 11 millimeters or 0.43 inches. Open the clamping unit via integrated lever. Insert conductor. Compared to its predecessor, the 222 series, the 221 series operating levers can now be opened using noticeably less force. Then lower the lever to close the clamp. The compact splicing connectors for all conductor types feature a large connection range, 0.14 to 4 square millimeters fine-stranded and 0.2 to 4 square millimeters solid and stranded 28 to 14 AWG. This flexibility permits a wide range of applications, especially when conductors of different types and different sizes are used together. The transparent housing enables visual inspection of the correct conductor position, providing a clear view of conductors that have not been inserted far enough or that have not been stripped to the proper length. A gas-tight contact point provides a durable and secure connection between conductor and current bar. The completely closed housing covers all live parts or conductors, providing a high level of protection against accidental contact. 2 easily accessible test slots, one in the conductor entry direction and one opposite this, provide easy test conditions even when installed. The 221 series supports many diverse applications beyond building installations. These connectors have globally recognized approvals. The 221 series is rated to T85 in compliance with EN 60998, making it perfectly suited for increased ambient temperatures up to 85 degrees Celsius. Take advantage of economical installation benefits. The new 221 series compact splicing connector for all conductor types. Another WAGO innovation.